3 on foot also. We're good. Eyes open. We got shooters all over the place.
Get away from the truck! Rabbit, move up! Father Voodoo, what's your pad?
We're taking his past the crash site. Second deck. Got a guy in the roof. We're gonna move soon. If we keep firing from here, might as well draw him a map to our position.
What are you? Check.
Roger. 1-3 moving across the street.
Roger.
Voodoo, move through the buildings. Safer to be off the streets.
Solid. Rabbit, through the buildings.
Get to a hard point and link up.
Jack. Move! Contact! We're clear. All right, on me. Tariq has some fucking explaining to do.
Secure the area, link up, and then we can think about him.
Roger. Door. We're outside. Move up the island.
Voodoo, moving across the balcony, second deck. Voodoo, Rabbit, watch your fires.
Jack, coming to you. He's done. Fresh bags. Move. That's the alley! Close block. Shoot a second deck.
Find an alternate route to Tariq's safe house.
Check. Rally up topside.
Roger.
Hey, kick that shit in. On the door. Contact! Got him. Kill the lights. Lights out. Drop your knots. Go black. You got enough ammo. This way. You don't need ammo, brother. Cheers.
Take a fork in him. Go left. Rabbit, do your thing.
Clear.
Voodoo, 1-3 topside. Lots of movement up here. Dead men are on the ground.
Drive coming to you. Rabbit, outside. Mother, watch the fucking doors here. 2-4 moving topside. Watch your fires.
Roger, Voodoo.
Rabbit, this way.
This way. Stairs.
Mother, Voodoo, coming to you.
Check. 2 tangos upper deck across the street.
Contact. Room 4 tangos. Blue coming through. Frag out. All clear.
Voodoo, friendly's on your 3 o'clock. Panther, Mother.
Go, Mother.
Things got ashed up. Place is crawling with bad guys. Someone ratted us out.
You have Tariq.
Contact right. Shoot at second deck.
Three, you're with me. Voodoo, you and Rabbit flank right. Move when we lay down some fire.
Move, move. So, we don't need Tariq to tell us where the bad guys are. I think we know.
Yeah, right fucking here. Get outside. We can cover you.
Jay, Rabbit, we're moving.
You don't need ammo, brother.
I'm dead. Status?
Clear. Come on, you can get up over here.
Up you go. Fuck. Tariq flip, Mother. That house is gonna be a total setup.
House, this whole town is a setup. We're here, we're checking it out. Fresh mags and heads on a swivel. If Tariq's in there, we're taking him alive. Let's move. There it is. Move to cover. Stay area open. Check. Check. They're coming out! Reloading. slipped. He didn't do it by choice. Get down! Shit. Damn, mother. Not our guy. Great. What now? Panther, Mother. We're in the location. There's no Tariq. Say again. No Tariq.
Mother, you're in luck. Langley has predator imagery of dismounts
You don't
moving
need
the ball
ammo,
in the
Rabbit.
SAR.
Copy that. We're moving out. Let's not waste time. Drop down.
Mother, Jimmy says they may have Tariq. Looks like a dozen dudes with guns and one prisoner.
Let's hustle, gents. Roof. Rabbit, on the right. Contact left, in the building. 2 tangos. Down. 12 o'clock. Right. Go. Back to you. Close, they're coming. Move up. Clear. Keep moving, keep moving. Panther, Mother, we're at the south door of the fort. We need a key. What can you do for us?
Roger that. We're going to paint it. Wildfire will take care of the rest.
Tally your mark, Panther.
Take cover away from that door. Shout out.
Copy that, Panther. Incoming, take cover.
Stand by. Time on target, 5 seconds.
Knock, knock. Let's move. Go, go, go! Shit! Contact! Head down! Fuck. Tango down. I see him. Move up, move up! Preacher, frag the truck! We're long, Rabbit, flank left! Buddha, we'll take out the gun. You'll know when to move. Roger. Frag out. Great, get down. Yeah, Rabbit. Preacher, go low. Roger. Rabbit, this way. Rabbit, this way. Lock it down. Reloading. Contact! Choke it down. We might get more of that. Watch your corners in here, but move quickly. Voodoo, Mother, what's your status?
Mother, we don't have a clean shot at that MG.
On our way.
Roger. Mother, no sign of Tariq.
Check. We're moving and we'll exit top deck. Watch your fires.
Roger. Moving once
Here.
that MG's taken care of.
Hang on, Rabbit. Tango, take him out. Dragon off. Could make things easier, Rabbit. Contact! Reloading. Stay down.
Thanks, Mother. We're moving into the courtyard.
Heads down. Place is crawling with bad guys.
Go, go! out.
Roger. Link up in the courtyard.
Contact! Shit! Fire door, right! Window, above the garage! I got him down low! Down. Change your mag. Mag change. Reloading.
Status.
Clear.
Fuck. We're clear now. Rabbit, this way. Rabbit, you're loaded out. Any sign of Tariq?
Negative. Just a lot of dead assholes. Building's clear. This way.
Voodoo, get the door. Give me an ammo count.
5 mags, 7 grenades.
Good to go. All right, Tariq could be anywhere. We take him alive, and we find out what's going on here. Got it?
Check. Got it. Alive. I got a few questions I want him to answer.
Let's go get him.
Contact right! Enemy down. Clear. Moving up. Action left!
Target's right! They're in the garage!
Behind the vehicle! 2 o'clock. Great, get down. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Status?
Clear.
Hold here. What do you think?
That building looks secure. 2 Chechens were guarding it. Something important is in there.
Yeah. Rabbit, you're with me.
Mother, we got another door.
Check. Stack up. Remember, Tariq's in there.
Roger. Stack up.
Kick it in, Rabbit.
Got him. Get hit. Tariq?
Negative, keep moving.
Target down.
Status?
Clear.
Hold here. What do you think?
That building looks secure. 2 Chechens were guarding it. Something important is in there.
Yeah. Rabbit, you're with me.
Mother, we got another door.
Check. Stack up. Remember, Tariq's in there.
Roger. Stack up. Tariq?
Negative, keep moving.
Second 3. Into the hall. Keep your eyes out for Tariq.
Don't shoot Tariq.
They win anything there.
Just don't shoot the old guy.
Contact left. Behind the table. Got him.
Tariq?
Negative. Move.
Outside!
Clear right. Clear left.
Across the courtyard. Reload. Go soft. Panther, Mother.
Go, Mother.
Coming to you.
Mother, this is Panther at the rally point. What's your status?
All's good. We have the PC with us.
Roger that. Is there anything you didn't shoot on your way out?
We have eyes on you.
We've got you 6.
محمود من نورورا
تشار أغلى طريق
تزما جوان نجات ورنا
تيب هاي الأمريكيان
ما هي فكرة
Just what the fuck was that back there?
This is the Taliban. They have spies everywhere. They took everything and left only hurt. Please, you must find them. Find them and kill them all.
Bullshit. Why should we trust him? For all we know, he set us up.
Why should we trust you?
Please. I have a daughter. I want her to go to school. I want her to be a person, have a life. Do you not understand?
Okay, I understand. Where are the enemy?
Shayakot.
Shaikat. What's that?
It's Pashto. It means Valley of the Kings. Shayakot.
Where is it?
There.
How many?
Many. 500 fighters. Or more.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.